MetalWorks began building complete cars from scratch, not repairing cars, not upgrading them, but just flat out take it out of the blackberry bushes, make it brand new, and send it down the road. It's always our goal to put together something that is reliable. When you talk about a new engine, a new chassis, when you think about the chassis, you got all new bearings and seals and steering systems, braking systems, brake lines, everything's absolutely brand new and really of the finest quality you can get. Well, we're out driving our 55 Chevy, Art Morrison chassis, LS9, supercharged, 6-speed manual transmission. Basically just a really fun car. Got a lot of go. Art Morrison chassis, all the brake, closet track differential, rack and pinion, supercharged LS. You really feel like you can drive this car anywhere. You know it's going to start, you know it's going to stop. A lot of people have these cars, 55 Chevy, 67 Chevy, have them all nicely restored and painted, but they purely drive like crap when they retain their original chassis. That'll put a smile on anyone's face right there. We receive a phone call to build a car. First thing comes to mind is putting a chassis underneath it. Second thing comes to mind is how we're going to power it. Number one choice, and quite often the result is an LS engine. I'll kind of go from there. So what the customer will end up with is a car that will go around a corner, it'll stop, it'll steer well, and you know, hot rods are one of those things that aren't always reliable. So building reliability into them is pretty key feature. One of the key advantages of buying a chassis from us here at MetalWorks is, number one, we're going to get you a little better price. We're a dealer and we do offer a discount. Number two, you're going to get me on the phone and I'm going to talk to you about your build, not just the frame, not just selling it specifically for a car, but let's make sure that we have the right ride height options, the right engine combinations, the gearing, the tire sizing. A completed rolling chassis really can show up to your door with the wheels and tires on it, the engine's laced up with the electronics, painted, ready to go. So you're literally lifting your body onto it and of course hooking everything up. It takes a ton of work out of it and there's just no guessing, it's ready to go. So if you are interested in a chassis, my name is John, you'll be talking to me directly. I have a lot of experience putting these cars together. I would love to help you walk through the process, give you some pricing on it, and of course answer any questions that you would have about it.